in the world exist in three forms. These are solid, liquid, and gas, or air. See, this is liquid. And see this cup? This is solid. And the smoke is coming out of your cup is gas.
I don't understand. Solid, liquid, gas.
My magic wand would show this. See, here are three forms of water. Can you tell?
Yes, this is solid. This is liquid. And this is gas.
Do you want to see the difference among solid, liquid, and gas?
Okay, so we'll start off with a solid. A solid is something that has a shape, which you already said, and it takes up space. So we'll get that on there. Can you guys give me any examples of a solid? Ellie?
Table.
A table, so like the table that you're sitting at.
A Fitbit.
Fitbit. What else? Ellie?
Your computer.
Computer.
Earrings.
Earrings.
Microwave.
Microwave. Anything else? Okay, so a liquid is something that does not have a shape, but still takes up space. Can you guys give me examples of liquids?
Milkshake.
Ooh, a milkshake, that's good. Gwen?
Root beer.
Ooh, root beer, your favorite drink.
Car gas.
So gasoline for your car. What else?
Rain.
What is rain made of?
Water.
Water.
Diet Dr. Pepper. The one you like to drink my soda.
Okay, and then lastly, a gas does not have shape. And it does not take up space. Can you guys give me an example of gas?
Car exhaust.
Good, that was a good one. Ellie?
Oxygen.
Okay.
Nitrogen. Nitrogen.
Ellie?
I was thinking about a humidifier.
The vapor that comes out of a humidifier is a gas.
Helium.
Okay, so do you guys think a solid can turn into a liquid?
Yes.
You do think so?
No.
You don't think so? Okay, well, here I have water. What is that, a solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid.
Liquid. And then I have ice. Is that solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid and solid.
Solid.
It's a solid. Okay? So with a little bit of heat, some solids can turn into a liquid. So we're gonna put this ice in here, and you guys on your pieces of paper are gonna write down what you observed the ice doing in this hot water. So you guys are gonna look at it for 5 minutes. You guys hear it making sounds? I heard it doing something when I put it in there. You guys want to share your observations?
Yes.
Okay.
I've noticed that the ice is slowly melting, and like when it's cracking, it's making sounds, and it's getting smaller and smaller.
So when it melts, what's happening to it?
It's turning into water.
It's turning from a solid to a liquid. Okay. So my next question is, do you think a liquid can turn into a gas?
Yes.
Yes? So our next thing is we are going to take this glass and we're going to put it in the microwave for... You guys think that a liquid can turn into a gas?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So to see, we're going to take this water, which is a...
Liquid.
and put it in the microwave, which is a...
Solid.
and see what happens. We're going to put it in there for 3 minutes, and when I take it out, I want you guys to write down what you observe. What you notice? So you guys both wrote down that you saw bubbles at the top. Those bubbles that are rising to the top, that's called gas. And that's the liquid, the water, being heated and turned into a gas. What were your observations?
I put it's bubbly and steam is coming out, and on the side of the cup, like every so often right there, it'll like go on the cup. And it's
Yep,
like
and you can see the steam up here of the gas.
Yeah, and it's
The
like
water
it's
turning
dancing.
into a gas.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, to reinforce what you've learned, we're going to work on a matching page. So what you have to do is you have to match the liquid to one side to the liquid on the other side, and the same with solid and gas. Okay, so here we have a waterfall, and you matched it up with,
Rain.
and so that these are a,
Liquid.
okay, and then we have a bowl of steaming hot soup with,
Helium.
okay, and these are,
Gas.
and then we have a snowman matched with a cube of ice. Those are
Solid.
solids. Good job. So now we're going to have our assessment to see what we learned. So number 1 is, what was our lesson plan about? What was the title, the main idea?
States of matter.
Okay. You got the same thing? So who can tell me what the 3 states of matter are? Ellie, can you tell me the 3 states of matter?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
And
So
I got
we'll start with solid. Can you give me a property and an example of a solid?
right on the third line.
Sure.
Takes up space.
It takes up space. Ellie, can you give me an example of a solid?
ATV.
Okay. Now we'll go on to liquid. Can you give me a property of a liquid?
Takes the space under like a container.
So whatever you put it in, it takes up that space. Ellie, can you give me an example of a liquid?
It takes up the whole. Wait.
Tell me an example of a liquid. Like something that is a liquid.
Gasoline.
Gasoline. Okay. Now finally give me a property of gas.
Steam gas.
What?
Steam. Oxygen.
Oxygen is a gas. Now tell me a property of a gas.
It does not have a shape.
Right. It does not have a shape. It does not take up space. And oftentimes a gas cannot be seen.